skirt. Mustang. Oh, is that a F-150? Oh, that's a Ram. You got a GT500 with the wing.
What's that?
They won't be able to get out.
Yeah, because the
okay, I'll
they can just pull forward onto that walk.
Oh, they can? Okay, so I can move up. All right, thank you.
We got the nice truck. We got the
Like this Mustang right here, is that gonna be in the show, I wonder?
No, the cars are up there, I think.
Yo, he got that nice old Mustang though, I can't even lie. It wasn't a long drive, guys, but we're here with the bros right now.
It wasn't really that long of a drive.
Yeah, it wasn't really that long, probably about 6 minutes. Whoa, what is that?
That's
Maserati. Frick Maserati. Whoa, what's this over here? Oh, that's a Jeep. That's that good old Jeep.
You see that thing Mustang RTR back there?
Oh, RTR?
And it's
yo,
it's convertible. Look, you can tell.
Oh, that's a drop top too? Dang, I did not notice that. That is nice.
Oh my god. Come back. Yo, look at this blue car right here. Tell me what car that is. Look, blue car.
Oh, model Corvette. Yo, run, go. Yo, we've seen that Corvette. He should have been in the show.
I'm starting to see
So he just parked over there.
Okay, you guys remember, do not touch, okay? Okay.
So you just letting us go?
No, you ain't gonna just go. I gotta stay with
Yo,
you.
look at that old car. It looks like a Batman car. Look at that red and black one right there.
Let's go see it. Oh, I'm gonna get copyrighted. I'm gonna have to put music over this, guys.
Oh, look at the Batman car.
Oh, it is?
Look.
Right in front of you, Stefan.
Look, the red and black car.
Right here. We're gonna go across the street.
Why do you have to yank my neck like that? You did.
You snatched from me.
Yo, look at the forehead on this thing. You see Batman car?
Ah, dang. Wait, is that I don't know what that is. Bruh.
The fake bomb.
Oh, I didn't. What?
Remember, when you get too close to people, put your mask on.
Bel Air?
Look, all the power cars are over here.
Yeah, we're gonna go over there. I just wanted to see this.
Oh.
Look.
See this though?
You see the Batman phone inside
Oh
there?
yeah.
Imagine driving this thing.
Holy frick.
Okay, look over there. Look. You have some more power.
Yeah, let's just go ask if we can see it.
Can we go see?
Oh, look at that. Oh, yo.
Come on, look.
Woo! Look at this though. Wow. Oh.
Look, first car we see.
What is that? Let's go. And of course they gonna call us. Oh my God.
Yo, look at them fixing their engines for them.
Oh, they gotta have hydraulics. Charger.
You want to see the cars? Yeah, go see it. Yo, come here. Yo.
Dude, what is this?
Look at all these cars. Look at the motorcycles they got.
Bel Air. Whoa, you hear that? What is that? SRT? Oh, look at this though.
Yo,
Looks over here.
Look at these.
Dang.
Look at the engines and everything.
Stang gang.
Look, this one got the thing over the engine. Look.
Oh yeah. Strut bar. Custom strut.
Corvette.
C6.
Corvette.
Oh, C6. Woo!
Look at that white car pulling out.
Oh, whoa.
Look, I see a Ferrari.
No way. Come on, dude. Hold on. Oh, chill. I done ran into you.
Look, Ferrari.
Where's it at?
Red Ferrari.
Oh, I see it. Dude, walk up to it. Let's go. Oh, this is my first time seeing one in real life. No way. Oh. Dog.
I knew there was gonna be Ferrari.
Riding a Rari, holy frick.
Yo.
Dang. Oh, look at this. M3. Look at this, M3. Guys, look at this 370Z here. Mustang drop. Grandma, look at this. So this is one of them V6s. It's got the same V6s the GTR has. Grandma. This has the same V6 as the GTR, but it's not twin turbo, and it's got a cover over it. And what's this over here?
Yo.
Woo! this got, nah, this is a GTR. This is a GTR right here, but it's an Infinity. Got anything else with that G37 though? Holy. Oh wait, never mind, that's a G35. No way, no. Oh, I thought that was an R34.
One's ripped.
Yeah. Wait, is this a GTR?
Snap.
What is that?
Yo,
What?
look at the white
Oh, is that a Challenger?
car. Nah. Look at
Look at
this
that.
white car.
Challenger.
Nah, look at this white car.
Oh, is that a DeLorean?
Look,
Hold up.
look at
It
it.
is! Wait, never mind. No, I'm stupid. No, it's not. It's, I don't know what this is.
I see the front pops out though.
Yeah, this one's got the pop-up headlights too. Yo, I'm not worried about anything but this. Come look at this, look at this. No, I'm doing it next to this. Look at this, look at this.
Rambo.
This is a Challenger. Oh my god. Yo, this is a
You can ask for ice
track
cream.
hawk.
You can ask for ice cream.
No, I'm
Look.
good. Yo, is this a track hawk or SRT? I want to take a picture
You
next to
should have
this
seen
Challenger so
you should have
bad.
seen the cars that were down there. I mean, you should have seen the bikes that were down
Oh, look at this Benz. Hold up, I wanna get a picture with the Benz. I wanna get a picture with the Benz. Can you take it from my phone? Boys, we got a Huracan. We found it. We found it. We found it. This is my first time seeing a Lambo in real life.
Oh.
No way. Huracan live.
Yo,
Yo, please get the yes.
I need to take a picture.
Yo,
Wait.
I'm getting a Huracan first and then the Bel Air.
Ready? Okay.
Look at the Lambo. Oh,
Yo,
F-150 Raptor. Oh,
what is this right in here? Look at me, Dad.
let me see. Let's see.
Aston Martin.
Aston Martin. I don't like Aston Martin. Let's get away from that. Oh, you see that? That thing's huge. Holy frick. Where's the GTRs? I want to see some GTRs. If we don't see a GTR when we leave, I'm gonna cry.
Is this a bazooka?
Let me see. Oh no.
Oh, look at the little robots.
This is cool.
Grenades and everything.
Whoa.
Rocket launcher. This is a grenade launcher.
That's a grenade launcher. Look at that huge. Whoa.
Dude, look at the robot over here. Look at this robot right there. Hey, that thing's big.
Dang. And I thought this truck was in the 40s.
Is this work by a Sea Sinister Smoker?
Huh?
Is this work by a Silencer Sinister Smoker? Or clockwise?
I don't know.
I can see the gears, but I need to know.
Yeah, me too.
Making me stutter. Oh, what is that? Is that a giant nuke? Yo!
Wait, what is this actually?
Is that a giant nuke?
Yo, a freaking bomb. Holy.
It's a giant nuclear bomb.
Whoa.
Come on.
What?
Come on. I
Mmm.
still can't stop staring at that Lambo.
Yeah, me neither.
It would sound like a little ping, and it would contain everything right in there.
That's where they would no. That's where they would put a bomb. Like if there's a bomb someplace,
Oh,
they put
I
it
did not
inside,
know.
so it won't damage anything outside. It'll put
Oh.
it inside that. That's cool.
Oh, okay.
This isn't a rocket launcher. This is a bazooka.
Grenade launcher.
Grenade launcher, right?
Kinda.
But
It shoots rockets. Not
This is all military grade.
brick grenade, round grenades, and then the oval
Oh.
grenades. You have all the explosives right here.
Dude, I'm a car fanatic, but
You're a car fanatic?
yep.
Is
But
this cooler than the cars?
this is interesting.
Alright.
This is interesting. Like, I like this as much as I like that Lambo over there.
Alright. Hey, that's impressive,
That's pretty
right?
good.
Mhm.
Thank you very much.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
I only know a bit about guns. I watch this guy called Kentucky Ballistics on YouTube.
Okay.
You know who that is? No. Okay. So, oh, I gotta go.
Alright.
Thank you very much. That was interesting. I can't even lie.
Can't stop
Guys, we can't stop staring at the Lambo.
Dude, just look at the
Lamborghini.
vertically parked.
2020 Lamborghini Huracan Evo, I think. I don't
I
know.
want to drive one of these.
Oh yeah,
They're like go-karts or something like that.
golf carts. Do we have to see these emergency? Ooh, never mind. H1 Hummer.
We can start walking.
Wait, this is
back there.
H1
Look at
H2.
She said, oh my God.
Ooh.
Unless you want to see the fire truck.
Look at the back of that
Man.
truck.
No, this way. Have a walk up the
Also the Ferrari. I can't stop staring at the Ferrari either.
Guys,
Oh, I
this
think
is,
I
these
see
are like,
some cars, legend cars down that way.
let's
Come on,
go
let's
to
go.
40. Let's go.
Don't run.
Guys, let's see you when we get there.